Ready to completely transform your home's vibe without overthinking every detail? These Amazon Decor finds bring style, warmth, and personality into every corner with minimal effort. From cozy accents to eye-catching statement pieces, your space is about to feel brand new. All products are linked in the description below. Some rooms don't need furniture to make a statement, they just need the right light. This spiral crystal chandelier cascades nearly 8 feet of K9 crystal raindrops from ceiling to floor, catching and scattering light in every direction. 13 bulb points mean the whole space glows, and dimmer compatibility lets you go from dramatic to intimate with a simple dial. It's built for grand entryways, double-height living rooms, and stairwells that deserve something extraordinary overhead. Not every lamp has to blend in. This one is meant to stand out. A 3D printed moon sits atop a sleek black stand, textured to look strikingly close to the real thing. Tap the moon's surface to cycle through 4 color temperatures, so the vibe shifts with your mood without touching a single switch. At just over 32 inches tall, it slips into corners, beside beds, or behind sofas without eating up floor space. It's the kind of lamp that makes a room feel curated, not just lit. Some backyard upgrades change how you use your whole outdoor space. This is one of them. It's a fire pit and a dining table in one, so when the flames are off, the party doesn't have to be. Crank it up to 50,000 BTU, and it throws serious, steady heat that actually keeps you warm on cold nights. A glass wind guard keeps the flames dancing even when the breeze picks up, and the blue glass rocks give it that modern, upscale look you'd see at a rooftop bar. It comes with a waterproof cover, adjustable feet for uneven ground, and honestly, just makes your patio look like somewhere worth spending time. Your living room wall is a screen. So is your backyard fence. So is basically any flat surface within 120 inches. This compact projector delivers full 1080pl picture with rich, vivid color, sharp enough to genuinely rival a TV. It runs Google TV straight out of the box, so Netflix, YouTube, and thousands of other apps are ready to go the second you turn it on. The built-in stand tilts and adjusts automatically, so getting a perfectly aligned image takes seconds, not 20 minutes of frustration. It looks like a book. It opens like a book. But flip it on, and it blooms into a gorgeous paper lantern that fills the room with warm, soft light. This origami-inspired lamp folds and unfolds up to 360 degrees, so you can shape the light exactly how you want it. 3 color modes let you go from cozy, warm to crisp, cool, depending on your mood. It sits on a bamboo base, runs on a built-in rechargeable battery for up to 6 hours, and doubles as one of the most unique pieces of decor you can put on a shelf. The kind of thing guests pick up and immediately ask about. Some decor just makes people stop and ask, wait, how did they do that? This hand-carved wooden chain is 3 solid rings linked together, carved from a single piece of wood. No glue, no tricks. It sits perfectly on a shelf, coffee table, or mantle, and instantly adds that warm, rustic touch that pulls a whole room together. It's compact enough to tuck into a styled tray or lean against books without taking over the space. Simple, surprising, and way more of a conversation starter than anything you'd find at a regular home store. All the charm of real plants, none of the guilt when you forget to water them. This set of 2 hanging succulents comes ready to go. Pots, plants, and hanging ropes all included. Just find a hook, and they instantly add a lush, trailing green touch to any wall, shelf, or corner. They look convincingly real and stay that way forever. No sunlight, no watering, no wilting. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or any spot in your home that could use a little life added to it. Bedtime just became the best part of your kid's day. This Carousel nightlight projects a full, starry universe onto the ceiling. 315 color combinations, 15 different film themes like unicorns, mermaids, and castles, all rotating silently at 360 degrees. It's also a sound machine with 15 soothing tracks, so the whole room becomes a cozy little dream world at the push of a button. A built-in timer shuts everything off once they're asleep, so you don't even have to tiptoe back in. It's rechargeable, cordless, and small enough for little hands to hold. Basically a whole bedtime routine packed into one adorable lamp. What if the moon just lived on your desk? This levitating lamp uses magnetic technology to float a 3D printed moon in midair, spinning slowly all on its own. No strings, no stand, no tricks. The surface is textured to actually look like the real thing, and 16 color modes let you go from soft moonlight white to full-on color show with a simple remote. It runs wirelessly through electromagnetic induction, meaning no cords or batteries to deal with. Whether it's on a desk, shelf, or nightstand, people will not stop staring at it. Stop digging through drawers every morning looking for the right pair. This rotating sunglasses stand holds up to 12 pairs and spins a full 360 degrees, so every pair is always visible and within reach. It's built from solid stainless steel with a weighted base that keeps it steady on any surface, dresser, nightstand, or vanity. The bottom tray doubles as a spot for rings, bracelets, and watches, so your whole morning routine stays in one place. It assembles in under a minute and looks like something straight out of a boutique. Your kitchen counter finally gets the upgrade it deserves. This set of 5 tree-shaped trivets is carved from premium sapple wood, so they protect your surfaces from hot pots and pans while actually looking beautiful doing it. Each one unfolds automatically the moment you set something down, then springs back into shape when you lift it off. When you're done, they nest right back onto their wooden stand, like a little tree sculpture sitting on your counter. It's one of those rare things that's genuinely useful and genuinely pretty at the same time. Vinyl is back, and it looks better than ever. This retro-style vinyl player doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, so you're getting big sound wrapped in classic charm. 3 built-in lighting modes set the perfect mood, whether it's a cozy night in or a weekend party. You can play music 4 different ways, via Bluetooth, a memory card, an AUX cable, or even switch on white noise with calming nature sounds to help you unwind. It's lightweight, portable, and honestly, just a beautiful thing to have on your shelf. Go ahead, squeeze it. This squishy Panda nightlight is made from soft, safe silicone that you can squish, knead, and stress relieve to your heart's content. Then watch it bounce right back. Tap the top to turn it on and cycle through 3 brightness levels, from a gentle glow for sleeping to something bright enough for midnight diaper changes. A built-in timer shuts it off after 30 minutes, so nobody has to get up. It charges via USB and lasts up to 7 hours on a full charge, making it just as useful as it is ridiculously cute. This is the kind of decor you don't just look at, you get pulled into it. This moving sand table uses a smooth metal sphere that glides through fine sand, constantly drawing new patterns right in front of you. You can control everything from your phone, from speed to lighting, so the display always feels fresh. The soft LED glow adds a calming atmosphere, especially in low light. Made with natural wood, it feels warm, modern, and perfect for any desk or quiet corner where you want to unwind. This wall piece doesn't just decorate your space, it completely transforms it. A large butterfly-inspired design spreads across the wall with a clean, modern look that instantly grabs attention. The golden clock detail sits right in the center, giving you both style and function in one. Soft LED lighting runs through the design, creating a warm glow that changes the mood of the entire room. You don't even need to plug in extra lights. It already does the job. It's bold, elegant, and perfect for turning any plain wall into a statement piece. Your ceiling is about to turn into a universe. This astronaut-style star projector fills your room with moving nebula clouds and glowing stars that instantly change the mood. You can switch between multiple galaxy effects and adjust brightness, speed, and rotation using the remote. It even has a timer, so it shuts off while you fall asleep under the stars. The astronaut design itself looks like a decor piece, so even when it's off, it still stands out on your shelf. Sometimes the smallest things make the biggest impact. This thinker-style sculpture brings a calm, reflective vibe to any desk or shelf. The abstract design instantly draws your attention and makes you pause for a second. Made from a sandstone and resin blend, it has a solid feel while still looking artistic and light. Its hollow, modern shape adds personality without overwhelming your space. Perfect for your office, bookshelf, or anywhere you want a touch of quiet creativity. Your mirror just became a design statement. This irregular LED mirror adds a bold, modern touch that instantly stands out on any wall. The built-in lighting lets you switch between warm, natural, and bright tones with a simple touch. It stays crystal clear with an anti-fog feature, so no more wiping after a hot shower. Clean, frameless, and glowing, it turns your daily routine into something a little more elevated. This little light feels like it came straight out of a game world. It glows in a pixel-style design that instantly adds a fun, nostalgic vibe to your room. With a remote control, you can flip through 16 different colors in seconds and completely change the mood. It's rechargeable, so you can carry it anywhere without worrying about batteries. Use it as a bedside lamp, a handheld lantern, or even mount it on the wall. Walking up the stairs just got a whole lot cooler. This motion-activated lighting kit turns every step into a smooth, glowing sequence as you move. Each light fades on one by one, then shuts off the same way after you pass, creating a clean, cascading effect. You can tweak the brightness, speed, and timing to match your vibe. It not only looks stunning, but also lights your path for safer nighttime steps. This isn't just a lamp, it's a statement piece. The sleek spiral design adds a modern twist that instantly upgrades any corner of your room. It glows with 3 color modes, so you can switch from warm and cozy to bright and focused in seconds. With dimmable brightness and a remote control, you adjust everything without leaving your seat. It even remembers your last setting, so your perfect lighting is always ready. Your ceiling just became the star of the room. This shell chandelier brings a soft coastal glow that instantly elevates your space. The branch-style design is covered in delicate crystal shells that shimmer beautifully when the light is on. With 8 light sockets, you get bright, even lighting that fills the entire room without harsh shadows. The adjustable hanging height lets you fit it perfectly, whether it's above a dining table or in a tall entryway. Turn any corner into a calm escape. This mini waterfall fountain brings flowing water, soft light, and a touch of nature right to your desk. The rock-style design with a faux bonsai tree creates a peaceful scene that feels surprisingly real. As water gently circulates, it adds moisture to the air while the color-changing LED gives off a relaxing glow. Just plug it in, and the adjustable pump keeps everything flowing smoothly all day. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.